In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use an online thesaurus to find synonyms for your academic vocabulary journal words. So again, we start at the ESL 28 Canvas homepage. We go to the course reference websites. To find synonyms, we want to use the thesaurus. Click on thesaurus, it'll take us to thesaurus.com. And then at the top, you have the field where you put in your word. We're going to look up synonyms for the word analysis. So I'm going to type in analysis, hit search, and then we come up with this page that gives us a whole bunch of different synonyms, but we want to make sure that we are choosing the most common synonyms so that we don't use synonyms that are too specific for a certain field like biology or medicine, or which are maybe too informal. So we want to stick with the most common synonyms when we add them to our vocabulary journal. To choose the most common synonyms, the first thing we do is we check to make sure that the word form is correct. Analysis is a noun. And up here you usually have 2 or 3 different synonyms that are probably the most common. So in this case we have examination, determination. For others that are also common, we look at the colors here. The reddish orange colored synonyms are the most common ones, and then you have orange ones which are less common. Some words also have a yellow colored synonyms which are the least common. So you can find the synonyms examination, determination, inquiry, investigation, and reasoning. Those would be the 5 most common synonyms for analysis. And that's just a little bit about how you find common synonyms for your vocabulary words this semester.